Wondering what these cars are up to? Hit subscribe and hang tight for loads of fun! They line up perfectly and wait for permission from the pink truck.
Stay here. I'll be back soon.
Okay!
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Let the hide-and-seek game begin. Can you guess which car will win? What a spot, yellow car. Seems like the ideal hiding place for you.
Aha! I will hide here.
That's absolutely perfect. No car stands a chance of catching him. Aha! Green trees for the green car. Let's hide there. Awesome. He's practically invisible amidst these trees. Great! A blue pool for the blue car.
The blue water will obscure me.
Oh my god!
Hey!
Hey, come here.
Now two blue cars can hide together. Just Lightning McQueen left. Where's he gonna hide for the ultimate sneak?
Aha!
Hiding beneath the dirt? That's a clever move.
Where are all the kids?
The naughty cars have gone into hiding. Quick, pink truck, let's seek them all.
What's the smell?
Whoa, caught the yellow car in the act. No more playtime for you. Oh no! Lightning McQueen got caught too! Let's dig him out! Uh-oh! Green car left his hiding spot for a tasty snack! That's gotta be a trap!
Oh, yeah!
Caught you now, green car!
Oh, no!
Uh-oh! A giant centipede has taken over the pool!
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Don't worry, guys! Pink truck has got you! Everyone is safe now! What an unforgettable hide-and-seek adventure! Until next time, friends!
Let's go!
Oh, this road has steep cliffs! Look, there's a landslide warning and a barrier!
Danger! Landslide warning ahead. It should be fine, right?
The truck stops at the barrier, thinking for a moment. Oh no! It breaks through the barrier! Rules keep us safe!
OMG, what's this?
What? A huge landslide crashes down! Ah! OMG, help me! Help me! The truck is buried under the rubble. It needs help. Help!
OMG.
Let me call for rescue. I need your help. There's been an accident here.
Okay, we're on our way. Let's go.
OMG, is that a train coming?
Wait, a train is coming at full speed. OMG, help me, help me!
Don't worry, the rescue team is on their way.
OMG, what's this?
OMG, this is terrible. Let me save you all.
Don't worry, the rescue team is here to help. Thanks, guys! Thanks, guys! The crane carefully removes the rubble, and the tow truck pulls the wrecked vehicles out.
We need to clean this up and rebuild the railway.
Look! The vehicles are working together to fix the road and rebuild the barrier. The crane lifts its arm and starts moving the rubble. The truck arrives with new materials, ready to fix the road.
Safety comes first. Always pay attention to warning signs and follow barriers to protect yourself and others. Easy does it. Whoa! Perfect drop.
Oh no, it exploded.
It's broken.
Oh no!
What's going on? Stop!
Oh
Move over. Ouch! Out of the way. Can't stop.
Oh no, the cars fell into the hole after the explosion. This shows accidents can happen anytime, so always be careful.
Help! Somebody help us.
Luckily, the crane truck is here just in time.
I'm here. Hurry up.
Okay.
You first. Safe.
The crane lifts the monster truck out first. What a relief.
Pull harder.
Next, the big truck is rescued safely.
So heavy. Everyone okay?
Okay.
There's a big hole. Need a bridge team. Quick.
Hey, hello. Let's get started.
The construction team got the call and is rushing here.
This is the deck.
Side rails ready.
Let's go.
All vehicles arrive and rebuild the railway. Teamwork can solve any
Hello, come
problem.
here. Amazing.
Strong Lego blocks are stacked to build the pillars.
One done. All done. Solid now. Easy.
A wooden board is placed to form the bridge deck.
There. Ready to pour.
The cement truck pours cement. When accidents
Nice and
happen,
smooth.
stay calm and find solutions.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Done. Side rails. Welded tight.
Finally, the rails are joined into a new track. Remember, safety always comes first.
Wonderful. All set. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
The objects that easily cause fire don't leave indiscriminately.
Let's find some treasure.
He stops near a sand dune. What's he looking for? He grabs his shovel and starts digging in the sand.
The treasure is mine.
Look, a broken X-shaped pipe is under the sand.
Okay.
Tiny water drops are spraying out. Uh-oh!
The pipe's broken. This is dangerous. Okay, I will come here.
He looks at the pipe and starts thinking, and brings back a bunch of dry leaves.
What?
He covers the broken pipe with the leaves. And puts up a warning sign. Smart move. The next day, a big container truck drives in. Oh no! It drives right over the leaf-covered pipe.
Oh my God.
La 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 la.
Boom! The roller hits the pipe. Water shoots up.
Oh my God, help me please. Oh no, I will help you. There is an accident over there.
Okay!
I come right now. Go, go, go.
The police car speeds in and screeches to a stop.
Oh my God, what happened? I need your help. We come here.
Hello?
Look! Rescue trucks are arriving with new pipes.
Pull him up.
Okay.
The crane lifts the roller up. Great teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Fix the water pipe.
The crane pulls the broken X pipe out carefully.
Okay.
Let me. Put new water pipes. Certainly and safer. Continue. Wow, completely new. Fill the tube to be safer.
Okay.
Sand here.
The sand truck pours the sand and the roller smooths the road.
Next is me.
Okay.
Ta-da! A brand new road appears and all the vehicles are so happy.
Fix it the right way. Roads stay safe. Let's race. Don't fall behind. Ha ha! I'm in the lead. Just wait till they hit the spikes.
Oh no, what's going on?
Oh my God. Can't stop in time. Everyone stay calm. Call rescue now.
Okay.
The police and rescue team rush to the scene.
Oh no, what happened? Let's lift this car up. Let me. Calm down.
The tow truck takes the cars away for repairs.
Okay, done. I come here. Let's go. Fix the track fast. The train's coming. We need construction materials. We come here. New railway.
New materials arrive to fix the broken tracks.
Okay.
Do more firmly. Hello?
The road is rebuilt with safety signs and lights.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Amazing.
The lights turn red. Here comes a train safely passing by. The lights turn green, and cars drive on happily. The monster trucks return, but the police stops them and gives a warning.
Train tracks are not a place to play.
Here comes McQueen, honking cheerfully as he pulls in.
Thank you.
Now a big semi-truck pulls in just as McQueen drives away.
Oh no, I need to refuel. Help me fill up the gas.
La 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 la.
Thank you.
The dump truck shows up and tries to cut in front of the monster truck.
Let me do it first.
That's not polite. Always wait your turn in line.
Allo, allo.
Oh no!
I'm calling for emergency assistance.
Help!
Help me. The gas station is on fire.
Go, go. Hurry up, hurry up.
The fire truck arrives and sprays water to stop the flames. Now the crane truck comes to lift the dump truck upright.
We have to rebuild the gas station.
Okay,
Okay, let's start.
All the vehicles join in to help clean and repair the gas station. The truck carrying the new gas station arrives and places a warning sign. No phones while refueling. Now the station is clean, safe, and ready for everyone to refuel again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do not use your phone at the gas station and do not cut in line.
Look! A big truck is carrying a scary monster across the old bridge. Boom! Lightning strikes the monster's chain. Snap! The monster is loose.
Huh?
Oh no! It jumps off the truck and starts attacking the trailer. So dangerous! It dives under the bridge. Where did it go? Be careful!
Ready? Let's do this.
They race down the road, laughing. But something feels strange.
What made that? Where'd they go?
Red car drives onto the bridge. Look out below!
Help me. I can't swim. I'm out of here.
The yellow truck tries to escape, but the monster catches it.
This looks bad. I need backup.
A police car hears the cry. Time for action!
Hello.
I need your help now.
We're on our way.
Let me go.
Stop right there.
Fire truck sprays water at the monster. Great idea!
Got him.
The monster gets dizzy. Now's their chance. Crane lifts the monster and puts it back on the truck. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Thank you.
The bridge is broken. Time to rebuild it. Together. Look, the construction team is working hard. What teamwork?
Yeah, we did it.
Ta-da! The new bridge is strong and safe. Great things happen when we help each other.
Teamwork is the only way to win.